Hey, good afternoon, everybody. You're thinking of buying a bigger home, right? Now, half the people, pundits, friends, family, whoever you speak to, they're going to be telling you that you're crazy, the market's going to crash, it's not the best idea, you got to wait and see. Now, if you talk to another group of people, they're going to show you all the data, they're going to show you all the reasons why, the way the economy, history, that this is the best time to buy it because the historic values are continuously going to go up. You can't go wrong. Well, one thing for sure is that they both can't be right? But they both could be wrong. And let me explain. In any market condition, it doesn't matter how extreme they are one way or the other, there's always going to be some challenges and there's always going to be some opportunities. Now, taken exactly right now, what we've experienced, market has finally softened, slowed down, taken a breath, whatever you want to say. And what are the challenges now? Well, if you're a first-time buyer, I got to tell you, there's still a tremendous amount of affordability problems with the big investors and Wall Street that are buying everything up just for their portfolios. Even some government entities are doing it. Being a first-time buyer right now is very, very tough. If you are a retiree thinking of retiring in a year or two, you've been waiting, but now you decide to finally sell your home. Well, just 6 months ago, you didn't have to do any work to it. You would have got a higher dollar, sell it as is, and maybe even live there for a couple months until you get your affairs in order. Not really the case right now. So where are the opportunities? Well, the opportunities right now are really for the sector I specialize in, and that is what we call the move-up market. Now, the experience I've had with a lot of my clients the last few years have been, we all know the drill, right? They're thinking of selling their home, buying a bigger home. And what are the challenges they've been experiencing? A little bit of inventory, no opportunity for homes to come on the market in the communities they want. And then when they do rush to buy it, there's 10 other bids on it. As far as their home, should they sell it first and maybe rent for a while? Maybe sell it to some of the companies we had at a little discount or expense so they could be a cash offer, pull money from their 401k, borrow from their family members. It was expensive and challenging here. So now we are in the perfect conditions for that move-up buyer. What are the perfect conditions? Perfect conditions are we actually have more inventory now, so they have a greater selection of homes to choose from, which is really refreshing. Second of all, here, they're slightly on the market a little longer, 2, 3, 4 weeks. Third of all, here, the last few years, they've been seeing their home value go up, but the home they were thinking of buying kept going up at a faster rate, so that gap was getting more and more expensive. The way the conditions are right now is there's still a huge pool of buyers, more so in their price point, though their price is very strong, and the home they're going for is kind of closing that gap a little bit. So you couldn't ask these market conditions come out for the move-up buyer every 12 years or so. And this is truly the opportunity where you can sell high and buy low within reason here. So as far as the opportunity goes, what I'd like to share with you is this. What we've seen is a lot of people are going to take the let's just see what happens. I can assure you right now that you're going to be getting a lot of information. And what I'd like you to do is to take a step, download what I call the second story process. It's a signature guide I wrote specifically for families in that stage of life. Feel free to download it, give it a read. If you think it's a fit for you, I would love to start a conversation. All right, until we meet, take care.